80 animals.
Hyena.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to 80 Animals. How are you today? I am very good. Today, we'll learn about hyenas. This is a hyena. Are you afraid of it? First, let's learn some words using pictures.
Lead. If you lead a group of people, you walk in front of them. You see a tour guide and tourists in the picture. The tour guide has a flag. He walks in front of the tourists. He leads the group of tourists. Predator. A predator is an animal that eats other animals. In the picture, the shark is a predator. It eats fish. What other animals are predators? Lions, tigers, and crocodiles are predators. Dead. The fly is killed. It is dead. When an insect or an animal is dead, it doesn't live any longer.
Listen and choose the right picture for the word. Lead. Dead. Predator.
Now you will read a story. After you read, you will take a quiz.
There is an animal in Africa that looks like a large dog. What is the animal? It's a hyena. In fact, you can see wild hyenas in Asia too. Hyenas live in groups. Female hyenas are larger than males. And a female hyena leads the other hyenas in the group. Hyenas are predators. They kill other animals and eat them. But hyenas are more known for eating dead animals. Here is one example. A cheetah catches an animal and kills it. But later, hyenas take the dead animal from the cheetah. What does a hyena look like? A cheetah. A large dog. Which hyena is the leader of its group? The male. The female. What is true about a hyena? It lives in Africa or Asia. It doesn't eat dead animals.
How was the lesson? Did you like it? I had a good time. I will see you next class. Goodbye.